Here is how to know the latest following on Instagram. Now, if you're wondering for your account or someone else's account, who are the most recent followers or the people that are following that specific account, I will show you how to find out that information. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. So I'm going to hop into Instagram here and I'm going to show you first for my account. I can tap on the profile at the bottom right and then I can tap on the followers. Now, if I'm on here, you can see all followers here. This is a chronological list and at the very top are my most recent followers or people that have started following my specific account. So you can go through here. It's chronological. So if I scroll down, it will be the people that have followed my account really long time ago towards the bottom and most recent people at the top. But this is only for my account. If you want to know that for someone else's account, you can do that as well. So press the search button down there at the bottom left. And I'm going to type in basket. Now what I'm going to do here is I can tap on their followers. You can see all of their followers. This is the order that most recently followed this specific account. And I can go back here and hit follow and then now go back into this followers and you can see now my name is added at the very top here. So if you refresh this list, as they get more followers, they will be added to the very top here. So you can see the following list from chronological order, people that followed it a long time ago towards the bottom, and people that recently followed it towards the top. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and please subscribe to the How To channel.